President Barack Obama scored a Christmas Eve victory Thursday as the Senate passed its version of the health care reform bill. The Senate vote puts Obama closer to the goal of comprehensive health care reform than any of his predecessors. Following the Senate vote, Obama said the bill was a victory for the American people.
We are now finally poised to deliver on the promise of real, meaningful health insurance reform that will bring additional security and stability to the American people.
Now, despite the jubilation here at the White House, this process hasn't exactly gone as planned, and it's far from over. Obama had hoped he could sign a final bill by the end of the year, and he hoped that bill would have bipartisan backing. Neither of those things have happened. Both the House and Senate bills had solely Democratic support, and the differences between those two bills now have to be reconciled after the first of the year. Obama says he plans to be personally involved in that process.
We now have to take up the last and most important step and reach an agreement on a final reform bill that I can sign into law. And I look forward to working with members of Congress in both chambers over the coming weeks to do exactly that.
The White House said this week that it's not a matter of if, but when those negotiations result in a final bill. But make no mistake, there's difficult work ahead here. Some of the differences between the two bills involve the most contentious issues on the table, from a public option to how to pay for a health care plan. But if a compromise bill is reached, it would arguably be the biggest victory of Obama's presidency, and one that could define his legacy. Julie Pace, The Associated Press, The White House.